Hey everyone, I'm Carissa Wiley and I am the designer of the brand new It's My Party collection from Spellbinders, and I am here to give you a quick tip for using your Balloon Bouquet Designs Stencil that coordinates with the Party Balloons Bouquet hot foil and die set. So when you receive your Balloon Bouquet Design Stencil, it's going to look like this. It's also going to include 2 mask pieces, and that's to keep the areas that you don't want stenciled clean while you're adding pattern to your adorable Party Balloons bouquet. But you'll notice because we created those 2 masks, there's this little bar in the center of this solid balloon design. And we don't want that there. We actually designed this as a balloon filler so that you can ink color into the largest of the balloons, or any of them actually, when you're using the masks that are in there. So what you're gonna wanna do is get rid of this bar so that you have a solid balloon shape. And you're just gonna take a small pair of snips or scissors, and I like to come at it from underneath so that I can get my blade right along the edge of this previously cut balloon design, and I'm just gonna snip just like that. And then I'll move to the other side. And for this side, I'm gonna flip the stencil over because I'm right-handed and it's easier for me to get my blade up against this left-hand edge of the stencil. And once again, I'm just pushing the blade of my scissors right up against that previously cut portion of the stencil. And I'm going to just snip this little bar out. Just like that. Now you'll notice on this edge and on this edge, I have a little rough area. It probably will not matter much in the long run, but if you want to take like a little nail file and just kind of file a little bit of that away to make it a little smoother, you can do that. And then this will line up perfectly with the balloons in your Party Balloon Bouquet hot foil design. I hope you found this quick tip for getting your Balloon Bouquet Design Stencil ready for use with your Party Balloon Bouquet hot foil and coordinating die set. I can't wait to see what you all make with this brand new It's My Party collection. And be sure that when you do create with this collection, you share it on social media and use the hashtag It's My Party collection so that we can all check it out. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.